Good evening, Dan Fitzpatrick here, StockMarketMentor.com. Just a real quick one. First of all, we're out of our Novavax trade. This was a really strong, really strong trade. It didn't happen. God, I wish it happened all the time. I wish it happened even if I could say, well, not that often, would still be good, 100% gain in just a couple of days. I'll take it. But again, this was not due, this trade was because the stock rocketed up on news regarding, some money that they're getting and the COVID virus and all that. That's why the stock went up. But nobody other than people that work on Capitol Hill could have predicted this. I certainly couldn't. I didn't get in because I thought it was going to be a double. I got in because I saw this entry. It looked like a good low risk entry, defined risk entry, because you just keep your stop there. So I'm in the trade for that reason. Hey, trending higher. I think it's going to go up. I'll buy some stock here and I'll keep a tight stop on it. Yeah, that's it. I can do that. Hey, man, speculation. That's what you do. You put your chips on the table, know how much you're going to lose, and then you're in. And then boom, you get that thing. And then it turns out, well, hey, man, this is awesome. So I'm just explaining this because entry is everything. It's not predicting the double. Only idiots and those that think you're an idiot will predict this kind of stuff. It's just lucky. But the luck comes from good entries. And so that takes me to what I want to talk about now in this, which is I don't think this is the time to be buying stocks. I get it. We're still in a squeeze here. And just yesterday, the market just looks pretty frisky, like it's kind of ready to go up. If you can look at the QQQs, those are clicking. The Dow is good. Even the transports are not bad, we'll say. The mid caps, good. The small caps, good. And then we get a day like this. Now suddenly everything's reversed. The small caps, not good. The mid caps, not good. The SPY, not good. The QQQs, not good. And this is where the rubber meets the proverbial road. Look at the chart, okay? It's a 15-minute chart. That's better, okay? So forget about what's happening after hours, although we're still going down. What happened was it just looked to me like, first there's some profit taking here at 130, and then comes along, like 3:15, maybe 3 o'clock. It sure looked like a sell program just kind of hit the tape because everything started going at the same time. Okay, so this is all. I got no trade for you today. In fact, I have the opposite. The trade is you're in cash, so stay there. Be very careful about this market right now. I just get the sense that we could have more downside here. Now, I mentioned yesterday that this from a long-term historical and technical standpoint, this is actually a bullish environment because if you look at this percentage of stocks above their 200-day moving average, we're just ticking up above 15%. And over time, let me get rid of this mess. Over time, every time that's happened, the market, which is the red line here, has still gone up quite a bit. So I don't really see any reason why this wouldn't do this. But I'm just saying we're in a good position. We're in a good position right now with respect to the market health in general. But when we're talking about specific to today and like what to look for tomorrow, I would be really careful. We've got options expiration on Friday, typically not a big deal, but it's something to be aware of. We've got the congressional hearings, the politicization of the coronavirus, and who knows what's going to happen. The Fed's now buying corporate bonds, so that is definitely all good in the hood. They're doing everything they can to prop up the market. I don't have any indication that they're not going to be successful, but I'm just looking at the price action, and this is what I'm telling you. we've been on a good run. A lot, if you remember, you know this, like the stocks that we've been in just on the growth stock list, buy here, put your stop here, sell half here, get out here, like all the specific trades, they've done really well. But at some point, you got to start protecting profits, and that's where we are right now. Not every day is a great day to buy. Sometimes it's a great day to take profits or stand aside and let somebody else lose that money, okay? All right, I'll see you guys later.